Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.51. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.84%. This results in an average return of 0.42% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the upper part of a horizontal trend. This typically indicates a good selling opportunity. However, if there is a breakout above the upper trend line at $564.27, it could signal a strong buying opportunity and suggest a potential shift in trends. Looking at the 3-month trend, it indicates a possible change of 0.82% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from negative 6.34% to positive 1.75%. The 12-month trend indicates a potential change of 31.74% over the coming year, with returns expected between 25.50% and 38.53%. This suggests a price range of $701.64 to $774.50 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline: SPY ETF price ended at $559.09 on Thursday, after gaining 0.84%. The SPY ETF increased 0.84% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, rising from $554.42 to $559.09. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated 1.20%, with a low of $552.76 and a high of $559.39. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 0.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 28 million shares, with a total of 46 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $25.54 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can signal divergence, potentially indicating upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $565.15, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price is 1.07%, or $6.06, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, commonly known as SPY, faces a cautious outlook as the latest consumer price index data has raised concerns about whether inflation is under control. Analysts have downgraded SPY from a buy to a hold rating, signaling a potential short-term market retreat. The continued sell-off following the release of the consumer price index data indicates that investor optimism regarding aggressive interest rate cuts may be fading, paving the way for lower lows ahead. September's historical trend as a challenging month for stocks is also coming into play, with SPY experiencing its worst start in 70 years. This aligns with fears surrounding broader economic indicators that suggest underlying strength may delay any monetary easing from the Federal Reserve. Furthermore, discussions about potential corporate tax increases could add another layer of uncertainty for investors. In the longer term, while SPY may still represent a solid investment option that tracks the S&P 500 index, the current market sentiment may lead to volatility. The thin excess CAPE yield suggests that investors might be overvaluing equities, amplifying risks during this phase of elevated inflation and economic watchfulness. Monitoring these trends will be crucial for SPY's future performance as market conditions evolve. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Today, the exchange-traded fund exhibits mixed signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, August 30th, 2024, and thus far, it has decreased by 0.81%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, the SPY ETF displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Furthermore, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be found at levels of $549.95 and $547.03. A breakdown beneath any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day despite a rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 200 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $543.01, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. During the last day, the fund fluctuated $6.63 between its highest and lowest points, representing 1.2%. Over the past week, the fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.66%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $559.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $543.01. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $539.11, reflecting a decrease of 3.57%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 27 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a worthwhile investment? Several short-term indicators suggest optimism, leading us to believe that the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform favorably in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of September, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower by $2.01, starting at $557.08. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.